Nobody really loves support tickets. So how cool would it be if we could reduce our customer support tickets up to 50%, slash them by half, and focus on more things that matter? That's exactly what we've been focusing on the past few weeks, creating a little free email course that helps you to basically in 3 super simple steps find a way how to reduce your support tickets. And it's now live on the HelpKit landing page, and I just wanted to quickly show you the new site. You can access it by just going here to the landing page, or you can also go here up to resources, click on here how to reduce your support tickets, and basically in the course, it's a free email course. You just drop your email, and then over the course of 3 days you're gonna get an introduction to what we think is the best strategy to quickly reduce your support tickets. These are strategies that have been used by HelpKit customers, so you can be sure that they actually do work. And so basically the first part is talking about the knowledge base foundation, talking a little bit about how to structure your knowledge base, your help center, and some quick win optimization tactics. The second part talks about how to improve for search, basically how to utilize the search bar in your help center, which can be a treasure trove to find articles users are looking for but they don't exist yet. And third, a feedback system, how you can turn the feedback that your user is going to give you on your help center into actionable steps and basically improve your help center even more. These are the 3 points, and you can scroll through here the landing page and just drop your email. It's free, completely free, and then get the email course straight into your inbox. And I just want to quickly show you, if you sign up, there's also a little welcome bonus that is basically what we've done is that we have talked to 5 HelpKit customers, and we asked them, if you could only give one tip to improve customer support, what would it be? And in this PDF, you can also just download it for free. It's in the guide, and take a look at what HelpKit customers had to say about this. Super exciting, super cool. And that's basically the course. I can also show you another sample email, how it looks like. This is the first step, how to master your knowledge base, where I go into structuring your knowledge base, the content, what to write about, and some links and helpful resources that help you to make the most out of your help center. Check it out. The link is in the description, and otherwise just go to the HelpKit landing page and look for the free online course on reducing your support tickets. Cheers.